Moral values bright and true teach us what we say and do. A to Z we learn today. Goodness guides us every day. Accept all friends, big or small. Love and kindness wins it all. Be brave, face the light. Courage makes the world so bright. Care for plants, care for all. Helping hands make us tall. Discipline keeps us right, like stars that shine so bright. Empathy means we understand. We offer friends a helping hand. Friendship makes our hearts so sweet. Together we laugh, together we meet. Gratitude is saying thank you. It makes life happy and true. Honesty is the best way. Truth will always light our day. Moral values bright and true teach us what we say and do. A to Z we learn today. Goodness guides us every day. Integrity keeps us strong. Doing right, not doing wrong. Justice is fair, equal for all. Sharing toys, both big and small. Kindness shines, a gentle smile. It makes the world worthwhile. Love your family, love your friend. It's a joy that has no end. Manners are magic words we say. Please and thank you every day. No fighting, no angry cries. Peaceful hearts make us wise. Smile with hope, bright and true. Good things always come to you. Patience helps us wait in line. It makes our hearts so kind. Moral values bright and true teach us what we say and do. A to Z we learn today. Goodness guides us every day. Quality habits every day keep us strong in work and play. Respect for all, young and old, makes our hearts pure as gold. Sharing toys, sharing food, sharing always feels so good. Truthfulness makes trust grow. Always be honest, let it show. Unity keeps us together and strong. Hand in hand we all belong. Value of time, don't delay. Use each moment in a wise way. Wisdom grows when we read. Knowledge is a friend indeed. Zenial hearts welcome all. Kindness answers every call. Youthfulness means energy bright. Play and learn with pure delight. Zeal and joy in all we do brings success to me and you.